Hello guys, my name is Andrew, of course, and today I'm going to show you how to disassemble this buttons set from Opel Astra or Vauxhall H model 2004. And first of all, this is the connection for the cables. I have a video right in the corner to show you how to take it out of the car. Well, first of all, we have here some clips inside. To manage to take this out, it's just trying to pull it. It's very easy, just from the one and from the other side. Oh, here it is, and it's coming out. Next, we have 1, 2, 3 here clips. Try to loose it, and you will get it out easy. Okay, just you can put a screwdriver here, and then a little bit take it off. Here, the same here and here. Turn around. Okay, and it will pop out very easy. Inside, we're going to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 star screws, and let's get them out. And the last one. This is a plastic from the behind headlight. Same here, to take it out this. Pull from there and a little bit here, and it will pop out. Be careful, because we have these buttons. Okay. Oh, nice. Just going to find out. And inside of these buttons, there is a blue plastic. Just push it with something small, trying to take it out. It's very easy to take it out. And the same here, we have a red, I think. Okay, brown. Don't forget, this is the upper and this is the other. And then does not want to come out, the screw. But it will come out. Okay. And that was it. Inside it is a chip with the LED that is glowing your lovely dashboard. And mine, it doesn't have a headlights front for the fog. That's for here, the button is closed. I didn't want to attach a new button here, but I see there is already installed a chip with the connections. We need something like that to put here. I'm not sure if it will work or if it gives some power to your headlights. If you have the cable management, the cables already installed from the factory, it may help, and you will realize if that it works. And I will try to connect the front headlight that I have installed to take power from here, from this cable that is coming out from here. I'll try that and I will see how it goes. Well, thank you guys for watching this disassemble of this boot-on set of this Opel Astra. It's very easy to assemble it again. Thank you again for watching. But okay, I'll try to assemble it for you again and you'll see the steps. Bear with me. Okay, let's see. And this is the system that it helps you to take out the boot-on sets from the car, and just installing like that. It's already inside that, and you can push it to go further. That is it. Trying plastic here. Very good. Let's put those inside. This one goes here and clicks inside. The other goes here. Like that. And now I must screw all again. Five of them. And another one here. And the last one is a plastic. Check. Okay. And the last one. And the last one is that. Goes like that. And very easy, it clips. And that was the disassemble and assembly of this boot-on sets. Thank you for watching again, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video, it's your choice, and please hit the notification bell because more videos are coming in the future and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.